Hey guys, check this out. This is the Lackey by Enerdrive. We did share this before, however, this is a new version. It takes up a lot less space. It's built strong, made out of aluminium, designed to be put in the back of utes, used in rough environments for tradies and travellers and recreational users alike. It's complete with the Enerdrive DC to DC charger, suitable of receiving solar input as well as vehicle input. And obviously it also boasts our Enerdrive 2000 watt inverter. And as an inverter installation, this unit is compliant with an RCD. And then moving up here, you'll see the 12 volt sockets, as well as we've gone above and beyond with 4 USBs. They're high in demand nowadays, so we tend to go over the top with USB sockets. They're all rated at 2.4 amps. And circuit breakers by Carling. They're high quality, they're built to last, they're the leaders in the industry, and everything's labelled accordingly. We don't skimp on products with these builds. These systems are meant to last. So if there's two choices to be made, we try and look at the quality before the price in most cases. Our objective is to build something that you can depend on for many, many years. These are more Carling breakers here. These are really cool. You can use these as a breaker, but they're also a switch. So although this offers circuit protection, you also have a means to manually isolate your loads, DC to DC output, as well as your main breaker there for your inverter on the DC side. Additional knockout for an optional ignition input if people require a plug connection for those with a variable voltage alternator suitable for the DC to DC charger. And down here, we have one large Anderson plug. Now there's a kit that gets supplied with this kit, and that's just a little wire harness. So that's ready to go with a loom for your battery, plug straight into there. And here you get the additional Anderson plugs for DC to DC input from your vehicle start battery, load output, the grey one, and the red there is for solar input. The cool thing with our Enerdrive DC to DC chargers is they can actually handle a 45 volt input. So anyone who has a grid tie panel, a higher voltage panel, this unit here will comfortably receive that and make for a very good solar system in the back of your four-wheel drive. Anyways guys, I just wanted to share that. These are a really great kit. They've been well received, and now that they're a little bit smaller, I think we'll sell even more of them, because ultimately it's always about space, let's face it. We want to put as much as we can into a smaller package as possible without compromising functionality or reliability. We still need the system to shed heat correctly. We still want the charging system to perform correctly. We've certainly achieved that with the Lackey. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers.